Okay, guys, do you remember me from my first pull tooth or get my teeth pulled in the airport? Well, I just have the urge to throw an egg, so I'm gonna put it on YouTube. All right, so here we go.
I just want to let you know that I used to do this as a kid too, throw eggs at houses. It was a lot of fun. So now it's his turn.
But I'm just gonna throw it at a
Let's
fence.
do it.
All right,
I'm gonna walk.
come
We're
on.
gonna walk outside and do it. Okay, here we go. And look, the mom is letting us. Yes, and mom is allowing. She's making meatballs. We're going outside and throw it.
Oh, I think it's raining.
Hold on for a second. Make sure I get a good. Have to stay underneath here. What are you gonna throw it against?
I guess that fence.
Which one?
Down.
Make sure you throw low. Wait, wait. Is it being recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna throw
Oh, Colby, you missed. Oh crap!
it.
You're not supposed to do that. Shoot.
Go in the neighbor's yard?
Yes, it went over the fence. Oh my God, it's not good.
I didn't mean.
Kobe, what are you gonna say? Look in here.
I missed the fence and threw it at my neighbor's tree.
That's not good. You know what's supposed to happen? You're supposed to see the smash, like the yolk and all, but he missed it. Oh boy. Bye. Hopefully, don't get a call.
Oh,